everyone, my name is Jeff Ritter and I'm a tool sales specialist here at LDV. Today we're going to be checking out Eric Kramer's awesome new 24-foot Freightliner M2 Elite truck. On the exterior, Eric added 6-inch miter cut stacks, under cab lights, a lighted bumper valance, and an awesome looking custom lighted liftgate pump box cover. So now let's go inside. We added black pegboard with black lacing throughout the ceiling and behind the shelves, black aluminum ceiling trim and slats, black slat wall, which is very versatile, and LDV is continuously working to come up with new accessories for slat wall. Stainless steel trim on the L-shaped desk and the workstation. If you check out these welds, our metal shop does a great job welding and sanding those down to look great. We have some small shelves in the 75-inch toolbox opening, so when Eric has a smaller 54-inch toolbox in there, he can still add more product in there. And also black power tool drawers to display his cordless tools. So as you guys can see from checking out this video, Eric did a great job of laying this truck out. Eric, it was great working with you. We appreciate the repeat business, and if any of you are interested in upgrading your truck or getting into a new one, please feel free to reach out and give us a call.